Hi, my name is Bess. I'm head of product of a hardware startup. I design hardware every day. This is how it started. I have friends asking me to order medical supplies and ship to China. The order size is close to million. It's shocking to me because China is number one manufacturer for medical supplies and equipment, and China produces 90% market shares. The problem is a thermometer gun design has not changed for decades. It has many components and it takes a long time to manufacture and ship. The wholesale cost is going up from $50 to possible $45, and China does not make enough to take orders from US. CDC reported the number one symptom for coronavirus is fever, and we just don't have enough thermometer gun to detect fever. On the concept design, we started with the product form factor. It has to be very small, like size of a portable hand sanitizer. You can carry around in a rubber jelly wrap. The small form factor allows us to reduce the material cost and the manufacturing cost. On the product design, we reduced the normal thermometer gun to the minimum with a simple power button and the display. It's small, compact, lightweight, and easy to use. The design is to remove all the manufacturing barriers so it can be made quickly with the least material and shipping costs. We are solving the biggest problem to detect the fever to triage possible infected patient to reduce the spread of coronavirus. While we can't get enough thermometer guns in US, we will make them as fast in a scalable way.